Welcome back to Auto Revved, and today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing machines ever created, the Hennessey Venom F5 2025. This isn't just another hypercar, it's a full-blown assault on speed records and engineering limitations, a car built to dominate every straightaway, every track, and every headline it touches. The name F5 itself refers to the most powerful tornado classification on the Fujita scale. And that's exactly the kind of force this machine delivers. Built with a mission to exceed 300 miles per hour, the Venom F5 is a creation born from obsession, designed with absolute velocity in mind and executed with a precision that borders on madness. At the core of this American beast lies the Fury engine, a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that pumps out a ridiculous 1,817 horsepower and 1,193 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is more than just powerful, it's explosive. You feel the raw force not only in numbers but in every vibration, every gear shift, and every inch of tarmac that disappears beneath you in the blink of an eye. Paired with the 7-speed single-clutch automated manual transmission, the Venom F5 doesn't just accelerate, it launches. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in under 2.6 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in under 4.7 seconds, and 0 to 250, that takes just about 15 seconds. Numbers that sound unreal, until you hear that monstrous roar and see the sleek weapon blur past everything else in sight. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque is a masterstroke. Weighing just 190 pounds, it forms the central structure of the car and plays a huge part in keeping the total weight around 3,000 pounds. That gives it a power-to-weight ratio that most race cars can only dream of. But this isn't a stripped-down track car. This is a full-on hypercar that balances weight, speed, and structure like a symphony of speed. It's engineered to cut through air like a jet fighter, and every curve, vent, and panel serves a high-speed purpose. With active aerodynamics, an optimized diffuser, and rear wing adjustments, the F5 constantly adapts to deliver the most efficient downforce without compromising the speed goal that defines its existence. Step inside and you'll immediately see this car wasn't built for comfort, it was built for purpose. The interior strips out unnecessary distractions and replaces them with a cockpit designed to keep the driver locked into the moment. You'll find carbon fiber panels, minimalistic controls, and a yoke-style steering wheel directly inspired by fighter jets. It puts you in the mindset of a pilot, not a driver. The digital screen behind the wheel delivers essential data, focused entirely on performance. There's no oversized infotainment, no gimmicks, only the tools you need when you're doing 250 miles per hour and still have room to push. What truly sets the 2025 model apart are the refined aerodynamic tweaks and updates to the suspension. These changes make the Venom F5 feel more responsive, more planted, and more precise than ever before. Hennessey didn't settle for just making it fast, they made it smarter, more connected to the road, and more capable of handling the extreme forces at play when pushing the limits of speed and physics. The F5 isn't a showpiece, it's not built to sit in a garage and gather dust. It's made to be driven hard, to be unleashed, and to chase the kind of numbers that once seemed like fantasy. Only 24 units of this engineering marvel are being made, and that level of exclusivity only adds to its legend. It's not about how much it costs, it's about what it represents. Set a new pinnacle of American automotive performance, built in Texas by a passionate, focused team at Hennessey Performance. The Venom F5 challenges the European dominance in the hypercar world. It looks Bugatti in the eye. It challenges Koenigsegg's crown, and it doesn't flinch. It's about power, yes, but it's also about pride. It's about a company daring to build something outrageous and actually pulling it off. The Venom F5 isn't practical. It's not meant to be driven daily. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it demands respect. But that's what makes it so thrilling. It represents the purest form of driving passion, the kind that doesn't care about boundaries or rules. It's not just a car. It's a purpose-built machine that exists to destroy records and stretch the imagination. From its aerodynamic body to its fury-driven heart, every inch of this hypercar tells a story of speed, obsession, an unrelenting ambition. The Venom F5 2025 doesn't just show up, it arrives with thunder.